Wahala don dey as Rivers local government area administrator deny im resignation. He say dey attack am. Welcome, country people, to Senok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go give you alert of our updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Una go recall some few days back where the tori enter say the Ahoada East local government area local administrator Goodluck Iheanancho he come tender a resignation letter. Say he won't go back to private practice. That news, it can't keep everybody on edge because now just 10 weeks after they swear him in as local government administrator, now he come dey say he won't return to private practice. I still recall how we put am for our bulletin. Say now two things they play out. Either the man one resign, make it for contest for the forthcoming local government election, or something they play out. And now it can be like say our prediction incorrect. As the Tory when they enter now, the sole administrator of Ahoada East local government area for Rivers State, Goodluck Iheanancho, he don't deny report, say he resigned from office. On Friday, one letter when they date June 20, 2025, and they address am to the government house for Port Harcourt, e come surface where Iheanancho purportedly come express im intention to step down due to a desire to return to the private sector. However, for one radio interview, Iheanancho come talk say e still dey office and say make the public disregard the letter when they circulate on social media. He claim say he not sign that letter. Iheanancho come further they allege say they attack am for office and na woodlands they can't take him personal belongings, including documents. He come maintain say the resignation letter na the result of that incident. He say not be genuine reflection of his intention. According to am, I not resign from my appointment as the sole administrator of Ahoada East. Them attack me for my office, and the letter when they bring, not be me sign am. I don't know anything about the letter. I want to tell members of the public, say I not resign as the sole administrator of Ahoada East, and any other information when they put on air, it dey null and void. Now me still be the sole administrator of Ahoada East. Meanwhile, one Hector, a caretaker, when he be the chief security officer of the council, he dey insist say Iheanancho don't resign. As in they talk for a live radio interview, he dismissed the allegation, say Iheanancho they attack him for office. He explained, say the youths of the council, they come for large number to demand, say make the administrator stop to allegedly they siphon money when it dey meant for the council. He say now the action na come lead to a scuffle when he come pressure am to resign. He come talk, say Iheanancho not be talks attack am. He say make Nigerians know the truth. He say those na Ahoada East youths, when they come in large number to tell am, say please our brother, you dey siphon our money. Just 2 months for office, you don't decide not to take care of our environment. They come tell am say make he tell them why the local government dey dirty. say staff not dey come work and you dey stay for Port Harcourt to administer the local government. So the youths dem, dey para, they come block am. So now with that pressure, now I say he no wan do the work again. Iheanancho appointment as sole administrator of Ahoada East local government na part of a larger development for Rivers State, where 23 local government administrators, they appoint them by the sole administrator of Rivers State, Vice Admiral Ibok Ete Ibas. Country people, una go see say something dey play out from these two accounts. The sole administrator for the local government, they talk, say he no resign. Then the chief security officer to the council, he dey talk his own, say the sole administrator, he resign. Una see am say the tori not pure. Which one people go come take? First of all, na the sole administrator be the administrative head of the local government area. So in a saner climb where common sense dey prevail, the so-called chief security officer, according to the tori from wetin in dey talk and to get the boldness to go live radio to dey insist say im boss don resign, that man don suppose lose im job. And also, if the tori na true, according to the local government administrator, say they rough handle am and they beat am, come force am to make statement when they go air, then it's supposed to charge them. It's supposed to report formally to the police, make police invite especially the chief security officer when in job na to make sure say law and order dey for there. Some others they say they talk am when the news come out say local government administrator he resigned from office. They say no, it not go possible. Not before Nigeria. Even when you protest, say make somebody resign from office, the person not go agree. How much more? It can be local government administrator with all the funds. When they go the local government, you can't sit down. You can't say because of your private practice. Say who side? You say the chicken or the hen, it don't go home, go roost, as they talk am for English. Say so the matter, it don't dey gain clarity. But our take be say matters of this nature make dem not treat am with kid gloves, because it go fit escalate to something serious. So as the sole administrator, local government, and the chief security officer, local government, don dey get different versions of wetin happen, make the sole administrator of the state make he step in so that make him correct anything when he need to correct for that place. Otherwise, na the sign of big trouble to come. Now be this one. Country people, una see am.